You ever felt like someone tried to break you down, made you question your worth, or manipulated your reality? If so, you're not alone. Narcissistic abuse leaves invisible wounds. But today, I want to share powerful words of encouragement to remind you of your strength and your value. Take a deep breath and let these affirmations guide you back to yourself. You are not what they said about you. You are what you choose to become. The lies they told you were never the truth. You define yourself. Surviving narcissistic abuse is proof of your strength, not your weakness. The fact that you endured means you're stronger than you realize. Their lies do not define your truth. What they projected was about them, not about you. Walking away was an act of courage, not defeat. Leaving is strength. It takes bravery to reclaim your peace. Your worth is not up for debate. It is unshakable. No one has the right to put a price tag on your value. Healing is not linear, but every step forward is progress. Some days are harder than others, but forward is forward. You deserve love that doesn't hurt. Love should never be painful or controlling. Breaking free is the beginning of your true life. Freedom is not the end, it's the start of something new. Silence from you is more powerful than manipulation from them. Not engaging with toxic people is the ultimate strength. You are not broken, you are rebuilding stronger than ever. You are a masterpiece in progress. You are enough exactly as you are. You don't have to prove your worth to anyone. Your value does not decrease based on someone's inability to see it. Just because they couldn't see your beauty doesn't mean it's not there. Self-love is not selfish, it's survival. Loving yourself is the foundation of true healing. The way you speak to yourself matters more than what others say. Change your inner voice and your whole life changes. You were born worthy, nothing can take that away. Your worth is your birthright, it cannot be stolen. You are the prize, not the burden. Stop seeing yourself as too much or not enough. You are the gift. Be proud of how far you've come, even if no one else notices. Quiet victories are still victories. Your voice matters. Don't silence it for anyone. Speak your truth, even if it shakes. Never shrink yourself to make others feel big. You were meant to shine, not to hide. Your self-worth is your shield against toxic people. When you know your value, their manipulation cannot touch you. You've been through pain, but pain does not define you. Strength, courage, resilience, and self-worth do. Repeat these affirmations daily. Let them sink in until they replace the old lies with truth. And remember this. You are not just surviving, you are healing, rising, and becoming the person you were always meant to be.